Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fill out Chase Bank Money Order. To fill out a Chase Bank Money Order correctly, start by writing the payee's name clearly in the field labeled Pay to the order of, making sure to use the exact name of the individual or business. Never leave it blank or write cash, as this increases fraud risk. Next, add your own legal name and mailing address on the line marked from purchaser or remitter, which identifies who sent the money. Third, if you're paying a bill, utility, or rent, include the account or invoice number in the memo or reference field. This step is optional but helps the payee credit your payment accurately. Fourth, sign a money order on the front where it says purchaser's signature, leaving the bank blank for the recipient's endorsement. Finally, immediately tear off and keep your receipt. It contains a tracking number and is essential for canceling or tracing the money order if needed. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.